Have you decided yet what your business is supposed to do for your life? We spend a lot of energy as entrepreneurs making sure we create a business, and that's very valuable, something that will produce income for us and opportunities for other people and benefits for our clients, whether we're there or not. So we definitely want to build a business as opposed to having a job. But once we've done that, what do we do with that? What is it supposed to do for the rest of our life? Business success doesn't always translate to life success. We know that, but what do we do with that information? Well, business success is usually intentional. We're planning it out. We're making meetings and game plans, and we're asking AI for feedback and strategies. That's the type of attention it requires for us to put in our life to have a great life as well. We know that saying, many people spend more time planning their wedding than they plan their marriage. Well, similarly, many people spend more time planning their business and looking at their reports and the P&L reports and all these different things to make sure, and their key performance indicators and everything, to see what's actually working, but they're not doing that in their personal life. And then they're, for some reason, confused that it's not happening there. This is not magic. This is not fairy tales. If you've been in a long-term relationship, you know that you don't magically know how to respond to each other, how to love each other best. It doesn't just happen, right? So when you look at this in a business standpoint, you're doing these things, but in a personal life standpoint, what are your KPIs? Is it days off? Is it vacation days, date nights, romantic getaways, family vacations, family adventures? Just dinner with family is a very simple one. How would your relationships in your life look if you were planning them with the other people who are most important to you and co-planning what you want to see happen in your schedule, in your life, and connecting at least once a week to say, hey, how did things go? How can I support you? What are your goals? What are your dreams? How can we support each other? I want to spend more time with you. I want to be around you more. Imagine that, take that, and take whatever that first step looks like for you and your loved ones. It might be unfamiliar. It might be something different. If you're not married and don't have kids, maybe you do it with your friends. Hey, what's something cool we can do this week? Or how do we plan an awesome month? Or whatever it looks like. I invite you to go deeper into this. There's so much here. You've proven it in your business, most likely. Now let's bring that to your personal life. Let me know how that goes in the comments or message me. I'm really excited to hear how this goes. It can be this simple. It's not that deep. I have a master's degree in psychology. Most of what we're looking to do has nothing to do with deep trauma or what our mom did or what our dad said. It has to do with simply how we manage our time. Do that and watch magical things happen.